Welcome, welcome, asset builders all around the globe. Welcome to our Freedom Hope, Health Opportunity Presentation and Experience. So kung asset builder ka, kung guest ka man ngayon na nakakita ng live na to, we're live now in Good Morning World. So this is a divine intervention. Baka ito na yung answer or sagot sa mga prayers mo ang manood nito ngayon. Kasi meron tayong i-reveal. Ayan, may mga guidelines tayo dito. Yung mga purchase guidelines natin for your protection. Purchase only from authorized distributors to ensure genuine products. Prices shown are exclusive of shipping and handling. So baka makita nyo dito, ayan, reminders to. And final pricing may vary. Please confirm with the office. So, welcome to Freedom Hope. So, good morning, everyone. Why good morning? Because it symbolizes new hope, new beginning, new miracle. Because the sun never sets with lifestyles. So, ang topics natin na i-discuss ngayon, are you all excited with this? May mga tanong dito, why people stay broke? The real meaning of freedom, the asset building program, the opportunity, and your next move. Ayan. What does freedom really mean to you? Number one, is it more on money? More time ba? Building beautiful homes for your family? Being debt-free? Or the ability to choose how to live your life? So ikaw, anong sagot mo dyan? Okay, so masasagot natin yan. Kasi i-discuss yan ng ating first speaker this morning, yung mga tanong na yan. So, are you excited for our first speaker? So, siya ang magdi-discuss yung mga tinatanong ko kanina. A certified public accountant, more than 20 years in the lifestyles, in the business and achieved the highest position in 3 years. Started with a bar of 10,000 and now a hotel owner. 2021 runner-up of the highest income earner. And the author of the book, Do the Abnormal and Earn Abnormal Income. A virtual round of applause to Global Marketing Director, Eva Aradillos.
All right. Good morning, everyone. So, kumusta? So, I'm here to talk about freedom. Yes, no? Ganda ba yan? Freedom? Gusto niyo ba yan? So, what is freedom ba? No, alam niyo, freedom has many definitions. But for us, AB, asset builders, it means when your passive income is more than your expenses. Yes, and take note ha, not just an ordinary income, but passive income. Meaning, income while natutulog ka, income while nag-shopping ka, income while nagbakasyon ka. So yes, yan ang passive income. And yan ang definition natin sa freedom. So your passive income is more than your expenses. All right. So ano ba yung reality natin dito? No, 'di ba? Ang pinag-usapan natin is freedom. Pero ang reality, opposite ng freedom. And ito yung mga reality, no? Busy all month but anxious every payday. Relate mo ba 'yan? No, staple war na lang natira sa atin kasi naka-staple ang para sa tubig, kuryente, pagkain, and many more. Number 2, ano pang reality? Kids are growing up but you're always absent. No, lalo na mga OFW, no? Wala sila sa bunyag ng anak nila, wala sila sa birthday, sa dibo ng anak nila. Ang tanong nga dyan sa kasal nila, nandun kaya siya? Baka may proxy. Number 3, getting older but debts are getting deeper. Nako, no, nagpanic na ang iba kasi 40 years old na. But wala siyang 40,000 na savings, no? Buti pa nga daw ang edad, may 40. But ang may-ari, wala. Emergency talaga yan. Okay? So, if this feels familiar, you're not failing actually. We're just never given the right program, no? If yan ang realities mo, no? You're not lazy, you're not unlucky, wala ka lang talaga sa right opportunity. Kasi it's not enough talaga na masipag ka. Dapat nasa tamang opportunity din, no? Tamang program para merong freedom. Alright? So in this presentation, revealing the secret how to achieve freedom. Gusto niyo ba yan? No? Yes, merong sikreto ang pag-achieve ng freedom. No, secret ito ng mga mayaman. Na at dahil nandito ka, you showed up, i-reveal namin ngayon. Di ba? So gusto nyo ba? I-reveal natin yung secret paano mag-achieve ng freedom? Yes, no? Ito 'yon. Ito yung formula to achieve freedom. Freedom is equal to assets. Meaning, grow your assets, grow your freedom. No? Napaka-simple ng formula. No? Not rocket science to get freedom. Common sense lang. No? Meaning, if gusto mo ng freedom, anong gawin? Build assets lang. Alright. So, dito, sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki, author siya ng Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Sabi niya, wealth is not about money. No, it's not about pera, but about assets, no, that give you continuous cash flow. No? So, meaning, the key to wealth talaga is building assets. Kasi with assets, it's like having golden goose that lay golden eggs. Yes, no? So, gawin natin, let's focus having a lot of golden goose to lay more and more and more golden eggs. Yes or yes? Yes. All right. So, first thing first, define natin yung assets. Kasi palaging pinag-usapan yung assets. No? So, assets are anything that put money into your pocket even if you're not working. So, even your sleep, may income ka. Ako, when I went to Holy Land for 3 weeks, pagdating ko, 7-digit income pa rin. Bakit? Dahil may assets ako working for me. But alam mo, in contrast, nung career building pa ako, at nag-resign ako from work after 11 years working, wala akong sweldo. No? Naging foreclosable yung house ko. Income stops when I stop working dahil walang assets. So yun, no? Kailangan talaga mag-build ng assets. Alright, so to understand more kung ano yung assets, let's give examples, no? So ito yung mga common examples of assets that are giving you income, working or not working. So ano ba to? So mga time deposit, very familiar tayo nito, no? Meron kang interest income, working or not working, rental house or apartment, may rental income ka. Even natutulog ka lang, job pension, your pension income, kaya lang you work for 40 years. Pag-ibig MP2, may dividend income ka. Cooperative investments, may dividends ka, working or not working. So yan ang ibig sabihin ng assets. No? So may passive income ka. Alright, so get ready to change your financial story. Excited ba kayo? Kasi meron akong introduce sa inyo to change your financial story. Ano ba to? Introduce ko. Asset Building Program. Sulat nyo. Asset Building Program or ABP. No? Ano ba yung ABP? This is the three-step lang, proven formula to build assets. Kasi kailangan talaga mag-build ng assets. No? And alam mo, sad to say, maraming hindi alam ang ano yung assets. No? Lalo na ang pag-build ng assets. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon, no? Para ipakita ko sa inyo. I present to you a program, a structure, a blueprint to create assets. No? Para hindi na mag-trial and error. The hard part has been done, sundan mo na lang. No? Mas mabilis ang freedom journey mo if sundan mo lang to, maging teachable ka. Yes or yes? Excited ba? So ano ba tong asset building program? Okay, so ang asset building program, 3 phases yan. Meron tayong phase 1, phase 2, tsaka phase 3. No? So ano ba yung phase 1? Wealth creation. Meaning, start a business. So it says business, hindi employment. Because profits are always better than wages. Tapos, phase 2, wealth multiplication. Ito talagang pinaka-crucial part, no, yung wealth multiplication. No? So, makinig, maigi this part because ito yung part na that can make you really, really, really rich. Because if your business cannot be multiplied, it cannot buy you assets. Yes. No? So phase 3, anong phase 3? Wealth preservation na. No? Buy assets and be financially free. No? This is where we buy assets. Our graduation, ito na yung graduation natin. No? Sa phase 2 pala, wealth multiplication, we multiply our business with the system. No? Kaya wealth multiplier yan natin yung phase 2. Ang phase 3, money kasi natin na multiply na, we buy assets. Ito yung graduation natin. Because with the program, we don't work forever. No, as long as your assets can pay your basic necessities like food, shelter, clothing, transport, and communication, yes, graduate ka na. Yes, madali lang ba ang 3 phases, ang asset building program, 3 phases lang. No, so sa phase 1 tayo, wealth creation. So, di ba, sabi, mag-business. So, anong business? No, good thing, hindi siya poultry business. Kasi I've tried that before nothing happened. I even tried pharmacy and grocery, wala din. Now, and the reason why we provide a business opportunity sa asset building program, because yun talaga ang top problem ng tao. Yun din ang problem ko. No, kung anong business, kaya nag-trial and error din ako. No, maraming gusto talaga magnegosyo. But ang question, anong business? No, and if meron namang business, ang next question naman, magkano ang kapital? Malaki ba? No? And if meron namang business at meron ka ring kapital, ang tanong naman, sino magturo? Na meron na bang system para sundan na lang? Diba? Ang dami talagang tanong kung gusto mo mag-business. But dito sa program, kasama na lahat. Proven yung business, maliit ang kapital, meron magturo, at meron na ding system. So, ang pinipili namin na business is distribution business out of thousands businesses offered in the market today. Bakit? So, ito yan. Bakit distribution business? Number 1, you don't need to build a factory or store. Just connect a proven product to the market. No, kasi alam mo, before, kailangan talaga ng millions para magnegosyo, di ba? And thank God, nag-evolve na rin ang mga negosyo ngayon because of technology, market change. Kasi dati, di ba, kailangan mo ng big inventories, hire more employees, mag-TV ads, napaka-expensive talaga doon. No, malaking capital kailangan. But ngayon, di na kailangan. No? Connect ka lang ng proven product. No need to manufacture na. Alright? Number 2, bakit distribution business? Kasi it's a stable and proven business model used by Lazada, Amazon. No? So, kopya-kopya na lang tayo sa mga proven business model. Hindi na tayo mag-trial and error. Number 3, the most affordable way to build assets. Ito talagang pinaka-favorite ko. Kasi with phase 2, na ipakita ko later, you start little but earning a lot in the end. Gusto niyo ba yan? Kasi meron tayong wealth multiplier. No? Kaya be alert sa phase 2 ha, dahil ito talaga yung maging solusyon sa lahat ng money problems mo. Yes or yes? Type nyo, yes, excited ako. No? Kasi pati speaker nyo excited din. No? So ang question, what product do we distribute ba? So ano ba yung product din distribute natin? Of course, yung amazing product natin, Intra. No, merong 30-day money back guarantee. Napaka-importante para sa akin ito. Kasi nung nag-start ako, very shy, with zero business knowledge. Pero ito lang talaga pinaghawakan ko. No, the 30-day money back guarantee. No, naging confident ako kasi ang company, confident din sa product nila. At nakita yan sa 30-day money back guarantee na binibigay nila sa atin. No, and alam mo, hindi ako nahirapan mag-share. Kasi mga customers willing naman mag-try. Dahil nga, dito may money back, Jocelyn, di ba? Kaya, short na lang explanation ko. After all, pwede naman i-return if walang benefit silang makuha. No? And thank God, wala namang nag-return. Reorder ang binalik sa amin. Okay, so, ang Intra is more than 30 years na in the market. Galing talaga ng Canada. No, and distributed in many countries in Asia, Europe, America, and Canada, and the top botanical juice in the Philippines. All right. So, why we choose Incha? So, proven and tested na talaga yan by thousands of real positive customer feedbacks, no? Proven na sa amin for more than 20 years. Naging first aid namin sa family namin. Alam mo, every time may sakit sa ulo sa family, tiyan, instead punta kami ng doktor, punta na lang ng ref, inom ng Intra. So most of the time, walang doktor, no? Walang hospital bills. No? And ganun din sa mga customers ko. Kaya maraming repeat orders. So ano ba yung mga testimonies nila ng mga user? No? Yan, asthma, dengue, ovarian cyst, ulcer, thyroid, no? Dami, GERD, testimony, breast cancer, hypertension, myoma, diabetes, no? Sa dami talaga ng mga testimony ng mga tao na gamit sa Intra. Kahit bata, baby, nag-take ng Intra. No? Kahit wala kang sakit, no? Para for more energy. No? For my personal testimony, tonsillitis and UTI ko. Husband ko, allergic rhinitis, anak ko, hika, sister ko, ulcer, at marami pa talaga. No? Yan ang question nila bakit isang product lang but nag-address na ng maraming sakit? No, nakita nyo, no, Intra lang but ang daming sakit na mention ko. Like ako, kahit ang gusto ko lang i-address is my UTI, pero pati tonsillitis ko na-address, no, yung food poisoning ko nawala, no? So, ang dami talaga. So, bakit? No? Kasi, it has nourished all, as in all, our body systems na. No? May 8 body system tayo, reproductive, antioxidant, makita mo yan, digestive, yan, 8 biological system natin. And, alam mo, if you buy it outside, kailangan na many products, multiple products, ang kailangan mo to support the 8 biological system, which is worth more than 10,000. But sa intra, imagine, no, sa intra, just one product lang. No, targeted na lahat ang body systems mo. No, for overall health talaga siya. No, kaya people are amazed. Bakit we're still earning big kahit more than 25 years na kami. No, with intra business, with lifestyles business, na iba na compare sa ibang network marketing, no, na mga 3 to 5 years lang nawala. No, kasi it's because of the proven product natin, no? May real demand talaga. Alam mo, as long as may intra, may income ka. Period. Yan lang talaga, no? At pwede pa ipamana sa mga anak mo, 'di ba? So, yan. Meron pa tayong 3 other leading products that fight the world's top 3 health problems. Kaya I'm so proud sa company natin kasi pinag-aralan talaga kung paano tayo makasolve ng health problems or health crisis of the world today. No? Kasi yun naman talaga ang business natin is providing health and wellness solutions to help people live better every day. So yan, number 1 cause of death is heart disease. So meron tayong cardio-life. Number 2 cause of death, cancer. No? So meron tayong Nutria Plus. Number 3 cause of death is diabetes. So meron tayong Fiber Life. No? So yan, kung may Better Together kit ka, you have already your support solutions against the top 3 causes of death today. No? So, yan, no? Meron tayong 3-month detox program. Pag sinasabi anong product natin, is detox program 3 months. Kasi alam natin, first month cleansing. So, 3 months talaga yan. Kasi kung first month lang, hanggang cleansing ka lang. No? Second month, nourishing. Third month is strengthening and rebuilding our body system. Kaya that's how powerful our product is yung Bitikit kasi imagine, it provides over 250 health building properties, no? May 2 intra-liquid, 1 Nutria Plus, 1 Fiber Life, and 1 Cardio Life. Ang price niyan is 8,400. Alright, so yan ang product natin. Okay, so ang tanong, ano ba yung mga earnings dyan, ma'am? No? So meron tayong retail, wholesale profit, just like you have a convenience store. No? So dito ang retail profit mo sa intra is 700 pesos and sa Bitikit is 3,000 plus. No? So ang laki talaga, 'di ba? Ang laki, no? And ang wholesale mo 14,000 sa Express Direct and 16,000 sa Instant Direct. So kita nyo, it's even better than sari-sari store, no, or convenience store, no? 'Di ba? Kasi kung sa sari-sari store ka, ilan kayang soft drinks or sabon ang kayang mo, no, i-sell mo, no, ibenta mo para maka 3,000 ka. Lalo na ang 14,000, 'di ba? At ang mga convenience store mo pa, no, kailangan mo bantayan, 'di ba? Kaya better pa to sa mga convenience store, mga traditional business, no? Kasi kailangan bantayan dahil may marami kang inventory, may pwesto ka, may mga tao ka. Pero dito wala kang pwesto, no, chika-chika lang, cheke-cheke na. No, wala kang tao, wala kang fixed schedule, hindi mo kailangan ng maraming inventory dahil si Lifestyles ay may malaking warehouse, hindi ikaw. No, ang ganda talaga ng Lifestyles business. Right? So, ito talaga, dito ako excited. Hindi sa retail, hindi sa wholesale profit. No, ito, here's the big one that nobody tells you what actually build assets. No, you won't find this in employment or traditional business. So kung employed ka ngayon or may traditional business ka, hindi mo ito makikita. No, ito talagang pinaka-biggest advantage and ito yung magpayaman sa atin. So kung wala tayo nito, it's really hard for us to get rich. Alam niyo kung anong tawag dito, Bernard? Ang tawag nito, leverage income. No, the leverage income, ito yung wealth multiplier mo, yung phase 2 mo. Yes, 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 yes. No, meron tayong wealth multiplier. Wala sa job, wala sa hardware, wala sa karinderya, wala sa water refilling station, wala sa laundry. And ito yung magpayaman sa atin, leveraging. No? And sad to say nga, maraming tao ang hindi alam nito. No, this is the answer. Bakit how I made it from a borrowed 10,000, borrowed pa ha, 10,000 pa, maliit lang, borrowed pa, to hotel owner. No, bakit napagawa ko yung 6-bedroom na bahay ko with swimming pool in just 3 years? Answer, leveraging. So make sure lang talaga whatever you are doing right now, merong leveraging. Otherwise, palitan mo na yan kasi mahirap talaga na makabuild ka ng asset dyan pag walang leveraging. So ano ito? Ano ba tong leveraging? So what is leverage income? So ito yan, it's income earned beyond your own effort. So hindi ka lang kikita sa effort mo, personal effort mo. We have the people and the system to help you earn more. Kasi alam mo, 24 hours a day is not enough talaga for you to get rich. Kahit ubusin mo pa yung 24 hours mo working, no sleeping, work lang ng work, hindi ka talaga yayaman. You need to be leveraged with people and system para mag-multiply ang income mo, para makabuild ka ng assets, para may freedom ka. So, bigyan ko to ng illustration. I will give you an illustration. So, ito yan. We just started helping 6 people, and then 6 people lang ang focus mo, and it's multiplied by the AB franchising system. No? So yan, no? You started with 6. No? Pwede namang 7, pwede 10, pwede 5, but we just use the illustration of 6 no? Dito. So each of the 6 will find their 6 also using the AB franchising system. No? Na-multiply siya with the system. So ang 6 each find their 6, naging 36, same process to 16, 1296, each one find their 6. Ang 7,776 naging 9,330. Imagine, no? So 6 lang talaga ang focus mo, but it's being multiplied to 9,330 using the AB franchising system. So wealth multiplier talaga yung AB franchising system. Ang sabi ng company, kahit 20% lang dyan or 1,866, mag-order ng 3 tickets per month. Alam mo ba magkano yung leverage income mo? Sige nga, magkano? No? Kaya ihaman ka talaga dito. No, 1,511,460 month after month after month. Alam mo, kahit 25 years na ako sa business, every time, basahin ko to, excited pa rin ako. No, excited ako para sa inyo din. No? And tell me, bakit hindi ako ma-excite? Tell me, where can you find an opportunity with a borrowed 10,000 that can earn this much? Di ba? 10,000 lang, borrowed pa, pero pwede mag-earn ng 1.5 million. And ang maganda dito, we have a system to duplicate this earning. And meron mag-mentor, no trial and error. Sabi ko nga, the hard part has been done, sundan mo na lang. And alam mo, for those who want to be a millionaire, but without millions to start, this is our key. This is our path to being millionaires. So meron talagang paraan para maging milyonaryo. No? Because we don't need millions here to earn millions. You just need duplication. You just need the AB duplication system. And yan at yan ang pinaka-greatest takeaway natin. Alright? So, yan. No? So, ito yung program graduation natin. Phase 3 na natin. No? Kung may na tayo, assets na tayo, may passive income na tayo from assets, it will pay our bills. No? And question, and for how long ba we will buy assets? No? Kasi yung mga mayaman, hindi nila alam kailan sila mag-stop adding zeros to their wealth. No? Pero dito tayo, alam natin kailan tayo mag-stop building assets. Ang answer doon, when your passive income is more than your expenses. No? So, an income, just enough or more than enough to cover your basic expenses. Kung meron ka ng passive income, na can pay for your food, shelter, clothing, transport, communication. So, let's say, may 50,000 ka, example lang, na expenses mo, then make sure na yung passive income mo, more than 50,000. No? Like, yung residual income mo sa network mo, no? Rentals mo, dividends mo, should be more than 50,000. At if yan na ang finances mo, graduate ka na sa program. May freedom ka na. Yes or yes? Yes, no? Excited ba? So dito, the good news is we don't work forever, no? We work until our assets pay the rent, our assets pay the food, our assets pay all our bills. That's our program graduation, and that's our definition of freedom. Yes or yes? So grabe, no? So don't get us wrong. This is bigger than selling intra. No? It's about helping ordinary people create freedom using the asset building program. Alam mo, when I quit my job and sold intra to my mom, nag-intra business ako, and binintihan ko si mom ko, Alam mo, naawa siya sa akin. Sabi niya, dahil isa daw akong sipi, but now nag-ahente na lang ng juice. But alam mo, hindi alam ng mom ko na we have leverage income. And that's the reason, nabigyan ko siya ng car. And every time Christmas, every Christmas yan ha, 6 digit ang binigay ko sa kanya. And ngayon, no, if itanong mo siya, sino ang pinakamaganda sa amin? Kasi 5 kaming babae. Of course, ang sagot niya, ako. Kasi tinatiming ko ang tanong na yan, no, kasabay sa pagbigay ko, no, ng Christmas gift ko sa kanya. Yes, yun lang pala ang tip para maging ikaw yung pinakamaganda. Alright, so ito yung last slide ko. Our turning point, we stopped building careers, we started building assets instead. That's when everything changed. No? So when I started working, alam mo, as a CPA, as a manager, I stopped dreaming na lang. My dream before is to live in a 10 million house, but hindi nangyari yon when I was building career. Kahit anong sipag ko, kahit natutulog ako sa office, kahit nag-maternity labor ako sa office, my job is not giving me my dream. But with asset building, alam mo anong nangyari kahit walang nagtatanong? I'm now living sa isang bahay na with a lot lang that is worth more than 10 million. No? I know ang comment nyo, sana all. Yes, with AB franchising system, pwede all. Your past is not equal to your future. No, as long as you keep showing up, consistent ka, hindi ka nag-quit, naging teachable ka, kaya mo rin. No? We are given 40 years of productivity. And sad to say, many of us, we gave it all to our boss and retire poor at 60. But I'm challenging you. Hindi mo kailangan gawin yan. Meron na tayong choice ngayon. With the AB program, why work for 40 years when you can work for 3 years? Yes or yes? Yes. No? Excited ba? Yes, wow na wow talaga yan. So, tapos na ako. That's it. And together, let's build assets and be free. So, thank you everyone. And this is my story. So, ako, CPA ako. So, nag-work ako sa CPA. But after 11 years of working, year 2000, nag-quit ako kasi nakita ko yung boss ko, yung car niya second hand, tapos yung house niya, nag-rent lang siya. Sabi ko, ganun din nangyari sa akin. So, I quit. Nung nag-quit ako, walang work, walang income, walang pang-tuition ang anak ko. So, nag-borrow ako ng money, 12,000. Tapos sabi ko, I need to earn money. So pumunta ako ng Amerika as OFW. OFW ako. But na homesick, umuwi sa Pilipinas, jobless, naka-receive ng letter sa Pag-ibig na i-foreclose yung bahay ko. No, sabi ko, kailangan ko mag-work ulit. So bumalik ako sa work as finance manager sa Dunkin' Donut. In the morning, job orientation. The afternoon, nag-resign ako. Sabi ko, Lord, bigyan mo ako ng business na maliit ang kapital, pero malaki ang kita, Lord. So naalala ko yung intra. No, so nag-borrow ako ng 10,000 and the rest is history. No, so yan, no, dati ito yan ang lifestyle ko. Imagine kung bibili kami ng electric fan, kailangan talagang pag-isipan, kailangan mitingan. Pero ngayon, no, one time, recently lang pala, no, yung anak ko bumili kasi ng Shangri-La, so may showroom sila dito. Sabi niya, "Ma'am, sama tayo." So sumama ako. May nakita akong unit doon, 3007, no? Yun ang July 30, yung birthday ko, no? Sabi ko, bilhin ko yan. So, nabili sa walang plano, no? Ang Shangri-La. So, meron akong Shangri-La ngayon. So, imagine, no? Ang difference is like day and night, no? So, yan, may mga residence din ako at Sheraton. Dati, lang yan, kailangan lang binigyan lang ako ng gift certificate sa kaibigan ko, no, para mag-resort kami. Pero ngayon, why check in when you can move in? No, may Rockwell, dami pang mga residences, no, may mga cars ako. Dati wala akong car, company car lang, no, na masira pag full tank dahil nasira ang gauge pag full tank dahil hindi siya sanay ang gauge. But ngayon, dami ko ng cars. Tapos ito, 8 times kaming palipat-lipat before, yung career building pa. But ngayon, no, may house na ako, 6 bedroom, 7 CR with pool. Yan, no. Ito yon mga anak ko dati, yung career building pa ako, nag-borrow ako ng money ng 10,000. But ngayon, yung anak ko nag-graduate sa Switzerland, yung isa sa Paris, no? So, grabe talaga, no? It's like day and night talaga. Dati, hindi ako naka-travel, pero ngayon, dami kong travel, at ang dami pang upcoming travel, no? May London, Australia, America, Europe, ano pa kami, Paris Olympics, no? So, ano talaga, magbabago talaga yung buhay mo. Hindi lang basta-basta, kundi grabe talaga. No, investments ko, alam mo ba anong ginawa ko, yung passive income ko sa lifestyles, ginawa ko ng mga houses. So ngayon ang nangyari, yung passive income nanganak ng ibang passive income. Yung passive income ko sa lifestyles nanganak ng passive income ng mga rental houses. So marami akong rental houses ngayon, no? Tsaka may scholarship din kasi yung husband ko is scholar at ngayon kami na yung nagbibigay ng mga scholarship. Alright? So yes to personality growth. Dati mahiyain talaga ako, but binago ni lifestyles yung mindset ko, yung pagkatao ko, tsaka ang buhay ko. Alright? So, ito yung blockbuster story ko from a borrowed 10,000 to a hotel owner. Alright? So, yan. Tapos na ako. I-introduce ko yung next speaker. No? Sino ba yung next speaker natin? No, next speaker. So, yan. Ang next speaker. Ano siya? Employee for 16 years. Traditional business owner. 2019. Lifestyles Club Asset Builder for the Year Awardee. 2020 Lifestyles. Hindi talaga basta-basta yung speaker natin. Highest Group Growth Awardee 2023, Lifestyles Persistence and Perseverance Runner-Up. May we call on Global Marketing Director, Eleanor Abing. The screen is yours, GMD.
Yes or yes. Good morning, Philippines, and good morning, world. Good morning sa 266 millionaires in the room. How blessed you are this morning. Sobrang ganda talaga at napaka-overwhelming ang presentation ni GMD Eva. Tama po ba? Na-inspire po ba kayo doon? Talagang binigay na lahat, no? Kayo na lang talaga ang kulang. Yes or yes? Yes, of course, no? GMD Eva shows us how to become financially free. So ano ba yung distribution tool na gagamitin? Lahat-lahat na talaga. At ang pinakamaganda pa, she is the living testimony para sa ating lahat. Of course, may mga guests ba tayo dito sa room natin na 266 millionaires in the room? Kung may guest man, siguro tanong mo, wow, napaka-inspiring naman ang story niya, napakaganda naman pala ng business nila. But ang question, paano ko ba ito simulan? No? How do you start? Of course, ang gawin mo lang talaga dito, magsimula ka lang and become a distributor here in Lifestyles. Paano ba? No, may dalawang distribution lang po kami na ino-offer sa inyong lahat. We have Instant Direct. Of course, magbabayad tayo kasi negosyo po ang pinag-uusapan. Tama po ba? Of course, no? So the first package na ibinibigay ni Lifestyles is the Instant Direct Package. At kagandahan, magbabayad ka lang ng 101,960,000 at makareceive ka ng product worth 142,800 lang naman, no? 17 BT kits ang lahat na yan. At ang kagandahan, may kasama pa yang 9 na libreng insura. So, pwede mo siyang laklakin kasi libre. Ang sarap kaya ng libre. Of course, with the profit and savings sa Instant Direct, return on investment mo is equivalent to 57,040, equivalent to 56% lang naman na ROI. Di ba maganda? Yung 101,000 mo, kumikita ng 57,000. Kung ilagay mo kaya sa bangko niyan, kikita ka ba ng 56%? Of course not! Di ba? Amazing dito. And kung medyo malaki para sa iyo yung Instant Direct, may promo kami na tinatawag naming Express Direct Package. Alam mo ba magkano lang yung ibabayad mo? You will only pay an investment of 62,480. Automatically, 20% discount ka na niyan. And ang kagandahan, ang product na ma-receive mo worth 75,600 lang naman. That's equivalent to 9 Better Together kits. At ang pinakamaganda pa, may 3 libreng intra yan. Worth 5,400 pesos lang naman. And the total profit and savings mo sa Express Direct is worth 18,520 at total ROI of 30%. At ang pinakamaganda pa, kahit saan dyan ang mapipili mo, pero mas maganda talaga yung instant. Tama po ba? Kasi 56% yung ROI versus 30%. No, kung pinipiliin mo si Instant Direct, maganda ka na, matalino ka pa. Pag Express Direct, maganda ka lang. At least, maganda ka. 'Di ba? At ang kagandahan with either of the two packages, may kasama na yan na 1 million accident insurance and 100,000 hospital reimbursement. At ang pinaka-the best, alam mo ba, you will reach the maximum discount of 40% on your next purchase. Isn't it amazing? Of course, napaka-amazing. At ang pinakamaganda, dito sa Lifestyles, di ka na talaga magta-trial and error. Everything are proven. Maliban sa lahat ng business at saka sa product namin. Kasi with regards po sa quality, grabe po talaga yung commitment ng quality namin. No? So we have premium quality product po. Natural source product po, yung Lifestyles. And ang pinaka-the best, our product is produced in Canada in accordance with good manufacturing practices lang naman. And HACCP, that's Hazardous Analytical Critical Control Point, that's standards for purity, safety, and sanitation. And ang pinakadamaganda, approve po tayo sa FDA. Pwede sa mga kapatid nating Jewish brothers and sisters kasi naka-kosher rated na po tayo. And pwede din sa mga kapatid nating Muslim. Alam nyo kung bakit? Kasi naka-halal certified na po tayo. Yan po ang pinakamaganda ng quality natin. Talagang lahat pwede po talagang uminom from wang to nearly tom. Maganda po ba? Chat nyo nga dyan kung maganda ba? Sinong gustong uminom ng Intra? Of course, tayong lahat, because always remember, health is an investment, not an expense. Maganda yung product, may pinakamagandang negosyo behind this great and wonderful product. Yes or yes? Yes. So here, ang pinaka-the best pa talaga, ito talaga yung eye-opener ko dito sa Lifestyles. Kasi dito sa Lifestyles po talaga, tayo po talaga yung tinatanong. Hindi po kagaya ng nagtatrabaho tayo na natin, pag tinatanong ba tayo doon sa employment, no? Kung magkano yung gusto nating kikitain? Of course, hindi, di ba? But here in Lifestyles, ikaw talaga ang may hawak ng buhay mo, no, at ng future mo. Kasi dito tinatanong kami dito what do you want to be? Ano ba talaga yung gusto mo sa buhay? How much would you like to earn? Magkano ba talaga ang gusto mong kikitain? Of course, gusto nating kumita ng malaki, but sa employment hindi po talaga tayo makapag-demand. But you know what, here in Lifestyles, magkano man ang gusto mong kitain, pwede mo siyang kitain. Isn't it amazing? Of course, we really have an amazing opportunity in the world. And you know what? Ito po yung ladder of success ng Lifestyles na nasa screen natin, no? Kung independent distributor ka lang, you can earn up to 20,000 pesos. Ang goal natin is to become a direct distributor. Tanungin niyo lang ang taong nag-imbita sa inyo, paano ito? And alam mo ba, pag direct distributor ka na, yung potential income mo is 20 to 40,000 lang naman. Of course, no? Ano na, supervisor na yan dyan sa employment world. Pero 8 hours job yan. But here in Lifestyles, maximum of 3 hours lang yan. Pwede mo yung kitain. Yes or yes? And ang next goal natin is to become a regional director. Ano mo ba, magkano yung potential income natin? 40 to 75,000 lang naman. At i-promote mo lang ng i-promote yung sarili mo to executive director, 75,000 to 200,000 yung potential income mo. National marketing director, which is the elite leaders in our company, 200 to 500,000 lang naman ang pwede mong kitain. Promote yourself to international marketing director and earn 500 to 1 million. At ang pinaka-goal nating lahat is to become a global marketing director. Potential earning is up to more than 1 million month after month after month. Na-imagine nyo ba yung sarili nyo na mag-earn ng 1 million month after month after month? No? When I started 2014, nakita ko itong ladder of success. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi ako naniniwala. Luka-luka ang mga tao dito. But you know what? Mas lalong tumagal ako dito sa Lifestyles, nakikita ko talaga yung mga physical check na more than 2 million month after month after month. Kung nakaya nila, kakayanin natin. Yes or yes? But you know what? Tanong, ma'am, paano ko ba akyatin yan? May 3 keys lang po tayo dito to success. Alam nyo ba kung ano yung 3 keys to success? Alam kong kaya nyo to. You know what? The first key to success here is your dream. Alam ko naman may pangarap pa tayo, di ba? Kasi pag wala ka ng pangarap, wala ka ng silbi sa mundo. What's the purpose of living kung wala ka ng dreams? Alam ko may marami pa tayong dreams because always remember that dreams are planted by God in our hearts and it is our moral obligation to make that dreams into reality. Yes or yes? Yes. Ang reason lang talaga na hindi natin na-entertain yung dreams natin is wala tayong choice. But here in Lifestyles, you already have a choice. Yes or yes? Yes. So given na talaga yung dream at saka yung work, no? Pilipinas, no, tayo po talaga pinaka-demand po tayo sa ibang bansa because we are workaholic. Tama po ba? Yes or yes? Yes. So given na po yung number 1 at saka yung number 2, nasa atin na po yan. Ang number 3 po, yung para sa akin, marami talagang hindi nakapasa. No, teachability. Dito sa Lifestyles, magpaturo ka lang talaga. No? So magpaturo ka, empty your cup, unlearn to unlearn, para ma-dig deep in mo talaga sa puso mo yung kagandahan ng Lifestyles opportunity kung saan talaga tayo papunta. No? So be teachable. Kung ang nag-invite sa'yo is just a janitor lang, tapos ikaw top 1 ka doon sa field mo, or manager ka, or may-ari ka ng kumpanya, magpaturo ka lang talaga sa tao na nag-invite dito. So sabi ni JM Ramil, magpabugo-bugo lang tayo dito. Pabububo lang tayo dito sa Lifestyles. Yes or yes? Magpabubo-bugo ka lang kasi million naman yung income mo papupuntahan. Of course. Yes or yes? Yes, no? So maganda yung Lifestyles opportunity, but what's the real concern? Ito po yung real concern natin, ma'am. Na-inspire po ako, ma'am. Ang ganda po talaga ng product. Wala po akong maisasabi. Maganda po yung opportunity. Nakikita ko po. Pero ma'am, wala po akong puhunan. No, of course, no, I don't have a capital. Halos po kaming lahat dito na nagsimula, wala po kaming puhunan. Pero pag may gusto, maraming paraan. Pag walang gusto, maraming dahilan. But you know what? Hindi po talaga pera ang puhunan dito. Money is not really the capital here in Lifestyles. Alam mo ba kung ano yung capital dito? Yung decision mo. Yung decision mo, dahil karamihan dito, nagsimula kami, walang-wala po talaga kami. Lahat kami nagsimula, mostly nangungutang lang po kami. But because of the decision na baguhin mo ang buhay mo, it pushed us to find money. Nangutang po talaga kami. Kasi na-inspire kami sa mga taong nauna dito. Kasi gusto din namin yung buhay nila. So anong ginawa namin? Nangutang kami. The real capital here is not money. It's just your decision. Request ko lang sa iyo, mag-decide ka na. Ilang taon ka na ba? No, diyan sa buhay mo. Wala ka bang, ayaw mo ba gustong magbago yung buhay mo? Ayaw mo ba gustong bigyan ng magandang buhay yung family mo? Ang pinakamaganda pa dito sa Lifestyles, trabahuin mo lang talaga ito ng isang beses. Alam mo ba, transferable at willable ito. So you can create talaga a beautiful future sa mga generations to generations. You can make a legacy of your future. Maganda pa? Of course, sobrang ganda. So ano pa ba yung real concerns? Ma'am, hindi po ako techie kasi nag-o-online tayo ngayon eh. Hindi, techie. All skills are learnable. Kung marunong ka mag-Facebook, bagay ka dito. Maraming ang mga senior citizens dito na nag-succeed. Ikaw pa kaya? Of course, kaya natin dito. At ang pinakamaganda, may system na po tayo dito, no? Magpa-follow ka lang talaga. At may magtuturo sa'yo dito. Ano pa ba yung mga real concerns? I've tried so many things, pero wala pa rin nangyari. Ma'am, marami na ako napasukan, pero wala pa rin nangyari. Nagsimula ako, ang lakas-lakas ko, ang bilis-bilis ko. Pag after 3 to 5 years, nawala na naman, ibahin mo si Lifestyles. You know what? I completely understand. Meron akong kasama dito na 11 na rin, or more than 11 ang sinalihan, pero ngayon, more than 10 years na siya dito. Bakit earning 6 digit to 7 digits lang naman? Because our product speaks itself and the company, wala po talagang cheque na nag-delay dito sa amin. You are paid po talaga by manager's check, no? Itatry mo lang kung naubos na talaga, parang na ano ka na, parang na phobia ka na, wag kang mag-try ka lang ng isang beses dito sa company namin at magpaturo ka lang. Yes or yes? Ano pa ba yung ibang concerns natin dito, ma'am? Not right now. When I am ready, tanong ko, kailan ka pa ba magiging ready? Ang tawag dyan, procrastination. And it's stopping action only by taking action that you change your life. No? Kailan ka? 2026 na. Ilang years na ba ang ibinigay mo sa buhay mo, wala pa rin nangyari. Simulan mo na ngayon. Make your 2026 a memorable and a beautiful one. Yes or yes? Yes. No? So question, no? Real concerns number 5, how will I distribute it? Oh my God, ang dali lang talagang i-distribute. Meron po tayong existing distribution system called the AB franchising system. Ang gagawin mo lang talaga, you just plug in. Yes or yes? Yes. Ano pa yung number 6 concern, ma'am? Is that networking? Of course, yes. No? So always remember that network marketing, any ordinary person can earn extraordinary income in network marketing. Kasi pag wealth multiplier mo, if meron mangupya sa business mo, they are not your competitors. They are your business partners and you earn bonuses here. Hindi lang isang bonuses, maraming bonuses. And you know what? With the EB franchising system, every business partners is like opening a new branches of your business. Yan ang pinakamaganda dito. Para kang may franchise sa ibang bansa. Kagaya kanina, no? May ina-assist ako from UK, no? So nagpapa-assist siya sa UK. So ibig sabihin, nandito ako sa Pilipinas, pero may IB franchising business ako sa UK. Isn't it amazing? Magandang negosyo ba yan? Of course, sobrang napakagandang negosyo. Network marketing is our business here. Pero ma'am, why choose network marketing po ba? No? Why choose network marketing to build assets? Because traditionally, kung traditional business ang mag-join ka sa traditional business, it takes millions for you to build your wealth. But here, you can start smaller. Just the right system to multiply your money. No? So, maliit lang yung simula mo, but big ang income potential na ino-offer at ang future natin dito. Yes or yes? Yes, of course. No, balikan nga natin to review ng ipinapakita ni GM De Eva kanina na asset building program. Ang gagawin lang talaga natin is tatlo. We have wealth creation. Paano ba mag-create ng wealth dito? Start your business with lifestyles. Huwag ka nang maghanap ng iba. Planchado na po tayo lahat dito. Ikaw na lang talaga yung kulang. Kayo na lang talaga yung kulang. Second, we have wealth multiplication. Paano ba gawin yung wealth multiplication? We build a team. We build our team to multiply our income using the EB franchising system. And the third one is wealth preservation na tayo. We can buy assets. Kung malaki na talaga yung income natin, proceed tayo sa wealth preservation. We can buy our assets to pay our bills and become financially free. Yes or yes? Maybe some of you, ma'am, parang mahirap talaga para sa akin, ma'am, kasi high school graduate lang ako, ma'am, ordinaryong tao lang ako, ma'am. You know what? Everyone, sino ka man at ano ka man, pwede ka dito. So allow me to show you some of the graduates of the asset building program and ask ko sa inyo, be one of us now. So meron kami ditong CPA by profession, a tricycle driver, an employee, a housewife, an OFW, and a factory worker, of course, and my business owner pa tayo, my nurse tayo dito, my teacher, my computer engineer, and my ukay-ukay vendor din tayo dito, my direct sellers tayo dito, and my real estate broker tayo dito. Diba? Every one of us, pwede po tayo dito sa lifestyles, basta mag-decide ka lang talaga dito. And ang kagandahan, we have offices, lifestyles, home offices, worldwide na po tayo. No? So dyan, makikita nyo, hindi ko maalam yung flag na yan, but we are 42 countries na po siniship yung product, 18 offices worldwide na po tayo. At ang pinakamaganda, we have also offices here in the Philippines. Hindi na po tayo mahihirapan, mapadali na po yung negosyo natin dito. And ano pa bang meron dyan? You know what? We created this presentation because no one taught us how to build assets early. Totoo po yan. Sino ba talagang magtuturo ng asset building program sa isang high school graduate? No, I am so blessed, so honored that God brought me to Lifestyles at tinuturo dito talaga. So we're so blessed with our mentor, GM De Eva. She created this presentation para lang po maituro yung build assets early. Instead, we lost years in building careers, chasing income, learning the hard way. And you know what? Our mission is to help people build assets and be free. Yes or yes? Yes, no? So hopefully, napakita ko sa inyo kung paano gawin yung negosyo. And you know what? Allow me to share you my story, no? I am just an ordinary employee before. 16 long years po ako nagtatrabaho. No, ang sweldo ko, bago ako nag-resign, 300 pesos lang, no? Talagang ang sweldo parang cook, sometimes sakto, sometimes zero, sometimes daw po parang hospital, no? Dead on arrival. But you know what? I'm so grateful pa rin doon sa kumpanya kasi nabubuhay naman po, nakaka-support din naman po, but not my dreams, no? Just for living lang po talaga. At pinaresign ako ng asawa ko kasi nakikita niya na walang yumayaman po sa pagtatrabaho. Maraming yumayaman sa pagninegosyo. So, anong ginagawa ng asawa ko? Nagpatayo po siya ng tindahan, no? Nagbabantay po ako ng tindahan namin traditionally, but you know what? Until now, existing pa rin naman yung tindahan namin. At you know what? Doon sa mga guests, no, sa ilang years ka pang in-invite, wag mo nang paabutin ng years. Kasi ako 8 long years po akong kinukulit just to attend a presentation kagaya ng inaatinan nyo ngayon. But you know what? I'm so grateful for this 2 person in the screen kasi yung si Mami Cesaria Yap for 8 long years, hindi po siya nagsawa na imbitahin ako. She's really my angel. God-given angel po talaga siya sa amin dahil kung hindi po dahil sa kanya, wala po kami dito. And when we attended a presentation, wala po kaming pangkapital, but God uses this person, my friend, no? Gusto lang namin siyang tulungan. Siya po ang nakapagpa-decide namin na mangutang kami ng 60,000 or Express Direct in a way of credit card. And the rest was history, no? So, kanino po ba tayo bumabangon? Of course, sa family natin, no? 60,000 lang po yung puhunan ko, pero marami na po akong ginansya dito, no? Napaaral ko po yung mga anak ko sa one of the most prestigious school here in Cebu, nasa Cebu Doctors University, yung dalawang anak ko. Nag-medicine yung babae kong anak at nag-medtech, no? Kung hindi ako nag-lifestyles, ewan ko lang talaga kung mapaaral ko sila sa college. So, ano pang nangyari dyan? Of course, no? Kaming lahat dito nagsimula, hindi po talaga namin alam paano gawin ang negosyo. Pero may sistema po tayo, sinusundan lang po. Nagsisimula lang po ako kahit hindi ko po alam paano gawin. Nagsisimula. Next slide. Ano po bang meron dyan? Ginawa ko po yung mission by heart. At lumalaki po. Ano pang meron dyan? Lumaki po yung negosyo at huwag po kayong mag-alala magsimula dito kasi may mentor po na magtuturo sa inyo dito. We will become the best version of ourselves kasi may mga mentor po tayo na libre ang mentorship dito, no? So, yan, nagsimula lang kami 5, lumalaki naman, no? Sa awa ng Diyos, ang hindi po talaga nababayaran dito yung personality growth. Alam mo ba, no? Kung sa tingin mo, ano ka lang, ordinaryo ka lang, but always remember, my individual breakthrough po na binibigay si Lord para sa atin. And I can assure you, Lifestyles mailabas po ni Lifestyles yung breakthrough mo dito. You will become the best version of yourself. Kung ano lang po, kung mahilig ka pong gumala, dito ka na sa Lifestyles kasi may mga free incentives po tayo dito, both local and international. At ang kagandahan, makapag-travel ka po ng sarili mo kasi totoo po talaga yung passive income dito sa Lifestyles. Noon, hindi ko po pinangarap mag-drive ng sasakyan pero ngayon po, sa awa ng Diyos for 11 long years, hindi lang po isang sasakyan ang nabili ko dito but 5 cars na po. No? And you know what? Yung 2 college ko na anak, no? Talagang binilan ko sila ng tag-iisang sasakyan para hindi na po problema si nanay na magkuha sa kanila sa school kasi I am a full-time Lifestyles distributor. At ang pinaka-the best, no? Mahirap lang po ang pamilya namin. In fact, hindi po ako nakapag-aral ng college kasi, elementary lang yung parents ko, hindi nakapag-graduate ng elementary yung papa ko, hindi nakapag-graduate ng college yung high school, yung mama ko. So nakita ko yung kahirapan ng buhay namin, and I'm so grateful and I'm so thankful because of Lifestyles na bago na po yung buhay ko. Marami po talaga nangyari. So kung may maraming nangyari sa buhay ko, sure ako nagdasal ka, marami din pong mangyari sa buhay mo. So dito, dream house, no? So di ko naman pinangarap yung bahay na ito, but Lifestyles give me this house. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lifestyles. Thank you, GM Deva. Thank you to all my mentors. So dito na kayo. So decide, magdesisyon na po kayo. Huwag nyo na pong patagalin. Decide ka na, bili ka na ng Instant Direct and or Express Direct. With that, thank you and may God be praised. And let's listen to what people say about our missing opportunity. She is a former traditional business owner naman, engaged into direct selling, a 2019 Lifestyles nominee of Consistency and Productivity Award, achieved the third highest position of Lifestyles in the Philippines. Allow me to introduce to you our National Marketing Director, Ma'am Emily Abalie. The floor is yours, NMD.
Thank you so much, JMD. You know, Robin, so inspiring, nakakaiyak naman. Good morning, world, and hello, Philippines. I am National Marketing Director Emily Montes-Claros Abalie by background. I am a racketeer by profession. I am a high school graduate. I was into direct selling like Ebo, Natasha, Miss E, Sarah Lee, and others. I was into online selling also, and nagtitinda din po ako ng lechon. Pero walang nangyari sa buhay ko until I met Lifestyles through my angel upline Global Marketing Director, Ramil Katarman. I said yes to the product and sign up. Borrowed 2,000 pesos lang naman sa Nivor namin. I trust my angel upline. Naniwala ako sa sinasabi niya na sasamahan, tuturuan at tutulungan para maabot ko yung pangarap ko. Yes, totoo talaga yun. Hindi ako iniwan ni GM Duramil until I was promoted as National Marketing Director, and my highest check was 504,000 pesos in just a matter of 1 month. Hindi pa kasama yung retail profit. Yes, totoo talaga yung Lifestyles opportunity. Buti na lang naniwala ako sa mentor ko. Buti na lang nagpaturo ako kay JM Duramil. Yes, this is my big why. Panganay po ako sa 7 magkakapatid. Malaki yung pamilya namin. Napakahirap namin. Walang inaasahan. No, kahit isa. Kaya pinagbutihan ko ang pagtatrabaho. I do the mission my heart together with my husband. I was able to send my children to college. Ang dating walang-wala, ngayon yung panganay kong anak, nakapagtapos na po siya, kakagraduate lang po niya ng tourism management. Nakakaiyak, I was so moved by my story. Hindi lang yan, during my first year and 6 months here in Lifestyles, nagpapatutuo, natutuo talaga yung opportunity dito. I was able to acquire my first brand new Toyota Vios, 2 motorcycle at ang isa binigay ko sa papa ko, and I was able to have a paper asset. Yes! Totoo talagang unti-unting natutupad yung pangarap ko dito. Ang dating nangungupahan lang for 13 long years. 2,000 yung upa ko sa bahay namin sa Mandawi City. Ngayon, I am living my dream house, not just my dream house, but my house. Matatawag kong akin a 2-story house and lot in a subdivision, all paid by my Lifestyles income. Yung asawa ko walang ibang trabaho, Lifestyles lang talaga. Dati siyang mekaniko at habal-habal driver. Ano pa ito? I was able to acquire a fully paid subdivision lot, a prime lot in Mandawi City overlooking Fontana Heights. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lifestyles. Ano pa bang naibigay sa akin? Yes, it is my second car, and I also have my third car ngayon, yung Baby Estrada. Yun yung ginagamit namin araw-araw para ma-move ang business na mapadali at mamalaki ko yung business ko. Bakit kaya ang isang high school graduate, no, nakapag-travel na, makapag-travel na all paid by my lifestyles income at makapag-travel ng free kasi maraming free travel dito sa lifestyles. Thank you to my angel upline, Global Marketing Director Ramil Katarman, and all my uplines. They are my mentors kung bakit napalaki, na leverage ang isang high school graduate kahit wala siyang alam sa business kasi marami ang magtuturo sa atin. To all the guests right now, huwag ka nang magdalawang isip pa, instant or express direct. With that, thank you and good morning. And ang ipakikilala ko sa inyo ngayon, our closing speaker, a very dear to my heart, has highest position in lifestyles, Global Marketing Director Ramil Katarman, Breakthrough Leader Awardee 2019, Life Builders Club Duplication Champion Awardee, Lifestyles Breakthrough Leader Awardee 2022, Lifestyles Ambassador of the Year 2023, Lifestyles Highest Group Growth Awardee 2024, Lifestyles GMD LLP Champion, a former public school teacher in Cebu City for 10 long years and graduate of Masters in School Administration and Supervision, Global Marketing Director Ramil Katarman.
Hello, good morning! Oh my God! Overcooked na talaga lahat. Grabe yung mga speakers natin, no? So, by the way, for our audiences, a big hands to all the speakers. Kaya I want to sign in again. Gusto kong mag-start again. Gusto kong mag-join talaga kasi grabe yung mga speakers natin. So, by the way, I am Global Marketing Director Ramil Katarman, former public school teacher from Cebu City. Now, a Global Marketing Director of Lifestyles, a graduate of Lifestyles University, the School of Millionaires, a certified asset builder. So, graduate na po ako dito. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko na lang, simple na lang, isi-share ko na lang yung story ko. Kasi I am a product of broken family. Sobrang hirap namin. I grew up very poor from one of the farthest barangays in the Philippines, in Leyte. Sobrang hirap namin. As a product of broken family, grade 2 pa lang ako, hiwalay na yung mama at papa ko, kaya gusto ko talaga makapagtapos ng pag-aral. Wala kami makain, kumakain lang kami ng kamote na agahan, lunch, saging, at saka kamuting kahoy hapunan namin for dinner. Sobrang hirap talaga ng buhay, kaya dreamer talaga ako, gusto ko talaga yung mabago yung buhay ko. Kaya before Lifestyles, grabe talaga. Nung makilala ko si Lifestyles, alam ko talaga na magbabago talaga yung buhay ko dito kasi sobrang ganda ng products, sobrang ganda ng mga testimonies ng mga tao na uminom ng products, no, grabe talaga. Gumagaling ang sakit ng katawan nila, gumagaling din ang sakit ng bulsa nila. So yan po ako before Lifestyles, no, yun ang mukha ko, but ito na nga yung latest, yung present talaga ito na. So iba na talaga, no? Kaya katulad ng mga ibang mga speakers dyan, isa rin ako sa nagbago yung buhay dito sa opportunity ng Lifestyles. I get to travel around the Philippines. Grabe talaga, no, buong Pilipinas na ikot ko na talaga. Of course, hindi lang local but also international. I've been to a lot of countries all over the world already. I've been to Vietnam, Hong Kong, Macau, Israel, Egypt, Palestine, Abu Dhabi, Turkey, Georgia, at balik-balik tayo yung iba, Vietnam. Grabe talaga si Lifestyles, no? Grabe talaga. Kaya I am so grateful and lucky and so blessed because I was introduced to this company. Amazing, the best business in the world, na ito talaga yung opportunity na makapag-retire sa atin lahat, retire early, young and rich. Because of this opportunity, binigay ko talaga yung best ko, hindi ako natutulog ng mataas, no? I sleep only 2 to 4 hours a day when I started the business. I work 16 to 18 hours a day, giving my all, giving my best. Times 2 yung effort ko dito, times 2 sa effort ko nung public teacher pa ako, public school teacher. By the way, I was a former outstanding teacher, whole province of Cebu 2011, Boy Scout of the Philippine Cebu Council. Sobra ko talagang loyal, sobra ko talagang magtrabaho, committed. Grabe talaga yung commitment ko talaga, guys. Yung passion ko talaga sa trabaho, grabe talaga. Pero walang nangyari sa akin doon. Lubog ako sa utang before Lifestyles. I was drowned, I was broke, I was in debt around more than More than 500,000 pesos yung utang ko in 10 years. But because of this opportunity, grabe talaga, no? In two years doing the business, I get to buy my first brand new car, yung white po, yung Toyota Rush top of the line, automatic, brand new po. Grabe in 2 years, plus one house and lot in 2 years. Of course, thank you, Lord. Graduate na ako dito. In 4 years time, in another 2 years, I bought another brand new car, yung dinadrive ko ngayon. Yung nasa gitna po, yung Montero Sports, yung second car ko po, yung nabili ko in 4 years doing the business. Of course, ngayon, thank you, Lord, no? So lucky, so blessed, so happy kasi sobrang dami na po kasi graduate na ako ng asset building program by GMD Avaradillos. Kaya nakabuild na rin tayo ng assets. Maraming assets, no? 3 condominium units at 7 house and lots, no? Thank you, GMD Eva, at marami pang lupa, no? Marami pang mga prime subdivision, prime property. So ito yung yung bahay ko na tinirahan ko ngayon, it's a 10 million property at the heart of Cebu City. Product of asset builder. Grabe talaga si GMD Eva. Ang galing niya. Grabe, sobrang talino niya kasi I was able to build my assets in that span of less than 10 years, no? Nakuha ko na to kasi dahil sa kanya. Hindi lang tayo tinuturuan dito na magkaroon ng malaking income. Tinuturuan din tayo to diverse our income, to invest on assets, not someone else's, and never have to work again. Yes or yes? Yes, God, thank you, Lord. No, ano pang nangyari sa akin dito? Sobrang dami. Healthy na kami for more than 11 years na kami. Hindi na kami no more medications, no more maintenance for 11 years. Grabe talaga. Hindi na kami nag-try ng emergency, ganun. Thank you, Lifestyle. Sobrang ganda ng products talaga. Of course, dito, before Lifestyles din, akala ko rin hindi ko rin magawa ang business ng Lifestyles kasi, of course, I'm not a business person. I am a public school teacher, but because of the franchising system, because of the mentorship, grabe talaga, guys. Grabe talaga yung nangyari sa akin dito. Thank you to all my mentors. Thank you to Lifestyles. Thank you to the community, asset building community. Thank you so much. So, sabi dito, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work forever. Natatakot ako, guys, na I will work until 60 years old or 65 years old. I don't like to retire very old. I don't want to retire very sick. No, I don't want to retire. No more energy. No more, don't have the luxury of time to enjoy. Buti na lang nasa Lifestyles ako kasi, of course, I get to travel around the world na may energy pa, may money pa, may oras pa. Thank you, Lifestyles. The best. No, the best talaga si Lifestyles. Ano pa? Sabi dito, build your assets now. You're not starting from scratch. Dito sa Lifestyles, pag nag-start ka, you can start building your assets. Ang good news, hindi ka mag-start from scratch. You will not start from scratch, but you will plugging to a proven system. Yung sinasabi ng mga natin speakers kanina. So mag-connect lang tayo, magkopya lang tayo, no? Sundin lang natin yung system. Sundan lang natin yung sinasabi ng mga mentors natin. So dito, yung mga system natin, number 1, like AB franchising system, following what already works. So no more experimentation, guys, no? Mayroon na tayong AB franchising system. Of course, number 2, you will just connect, plug into AB branding. You're not introducing yourself from zero, but with AB brand. Kasi dito, guys, ngayon, it's already a branding business, guys. Kapag ang negosyo mo walang brand, mahirapan ka talaga. Lalo na ngayon na we're into direct selling, online business, home-based business. Kailangan talaga, guys, na may brand talaga yung business mo. Ang good news kasi hindi na tayo mag-experimento dito. We will just connect and plug in. We'll just copy-paste and kopya-kopya lang lahat. Of course, number 3, AB Elite Business Coaching, no? The mentoring when you're stuck. So dito, every time may challenges kasi normal lang naman kahit hindi ka mag-lifestyles, mayroon namang mga challenges, mayroon namang mga obstacles, mayroon mga trials. So ang napakaganda dito sa lifestyles kasi may mag-coach sa'yo, no? May mag-mentor sa'yo, may mag-correct sa heart mo at saka mag-correct sa mga doubts mo at saka fear mo dito. Kaya karamihan na sa amin dito, if not all yet, karamihan sa amin dito successful talaga dahil sa mentoring and coaching. Of course, we're plugging into number 4. You'll be plugging into the AB community, your support family. Hindi kami isa dito, hindi kami hirapan dito kasi you have the community to help you, to guide you, to coach you, to uplift you. Dito, tinutulungan ka talaga. Sobrang laki ng family natin, ng Asset Builders community because we are building our own assets, not our boss asset. Our invitation is to enroll. Please enroll the asset building program. Guys, no, you can never go wrong with the company. Stood the test of time already for 37 years in the world and 27 years in the Philippines. Sobrang grabe, sobrang dami na po na-create ng mga millionaires dito. Katulad ng speaker nyo, isa sa mga millionaires na na-produce dito sa company. No, grabe. Please enroll in the asset building program. Ang gagawin nyo lang is number 1, sign up for a package. No, mag-sign up kayo, kuha kayo ng package. You can choose either instant or express direct package. It doesn't matter. No, it doesn't matter how much you started. Yung importante is nakapag-start ka na as soon as possible. Kasi time is gold, no? Life is so short. Kailangan natin mag-start ngayon. Lalo na ngayon, sobrang mahal ng mga bilihin, mahal ng tumaas lahat, no? Tumaas yung gasolina, sobrang mahal, yung bigas, sobrang yung mga basic commodities sobrang mahal. Pero it's okay because nandito kami sa Lifestyles. Pero naawa ako sa hindi pa nakapag-start kasi namahalan talaga, no? Ngayon, 50% na lang yung nag-travel ng mga private vehicles at mga public jeepneys kasi sobrang mahal ng gasolina. But buti na lang, nandito ako sa Lifestyles, okay lang tayo dito. Yes or yes? Yes, of course. Number 2 is be mentored using the AB franchising system. So dito, no more experimentation. Lay down your cap, lay down your hat, undress, no? Go back to kinder, mapapaturo, be humble, be empty. Kasi dito, tuturuan ka, sasamahan ka, at mentor ka talaga dito. Hindi ka mawawala sa system. Kaya good news yan sa mga negosyante, yung gustong magkaroon ng business, na gusto ng 100% guarantee na magiging successful. Of course, number 3, never quit. Huwag ka talaga mag-stop dito kasi 100% sa mga taong nag-quit at saka nag-stop dito sa Lifestyles, hindi talaga sila nagiging successful sa ibang opportunity. Because yung opportunity dito sa Lifestyles, i-correct talaga yung heart natin sa mind natin, yung attitude natin, i-correct talaga dito. This is an attitude business. Your attitude will always determine your altitude in life. Kung ano mo yung marating mo sa buhay, kung ano yung ma-achieve mo, mag-fail ka man or maging successful, it always boils down to your attitude. Kaya maganda dito si Lifestyles is always an attitude business. Yes or yes? Yes, never quit. Do not transfer. Do not quit. No, do not stop. Tuloy lang. Challenges are normal. Obstacles and trials are normal. Rejections are normal. Kahit hindi pa tayo mag-Lifestyles, normal lang yan. Buti na dito sa Lifestyles, pag mataas yung rejections mo, mataas yung mga challenges mo, malaki din yung cheque mo. Yes or yes? Yes, kaya excited kami everyday. Ako nga, 11 years na ako dito, but I'm still very excited up until today. No, grabe talaga kasi ang laki ng pinagbago ng buhay ko. Sobrang laki ng achievement ko dito. Natulungan ko pa yung mga kapatid ko. Sobrang dami kong mga scholars, mga private scholars, not related by blood. Sobrang dami kong natulungan kasi sobra-sobra yung blessings. Thank you, Lifestyles. This is your once in a lifetime opportunity to achieve freedom. Freedom talaga yung tinuturo ni Jim De Eva namin dito kasi we don't like to work forever. Me personally, I don't like to work until 65 years old. I want time freedom, money freedom, lahat ng freedom, health freedom, no? Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jim De Eva. Thank you, Lifestyles. So the moment you stop making excuse is the moment your life begins to change. So stop all your excuses. Walang puhunan, busy, walang oras, hindi marunong, not business person, ano pa, lahat. All your excuses talaga, yun ang pumapatay sa mga dreams nyo. Stop all your excuses kasi ganon din ako before Lifestyles. So the moment I stop all my excuses, nag-change talaga yung buhay ko. Before wala akong oras, but ito talaga yung priority ko kasi gusto talaga kong magbago ang buhay ko dito. So know your priority. Know your priority talaga. No, stop your fear, stop your doubts. Decide talaga for your future. No one will do it for you. Yes or yes? Yes. Ano pa? So, grabe talaga guys, no, ngayon, lahat ng mga gusto ng mga kapatid ko, nabigyan ko sila ng bahay, tirahan. Ngayon, nag-open ako ng farm para sa kanila. Mayroon pa akong mga lupa, guys, no? Sobrang daming travels, healthy pa kami. Sobrang dami ng blessings, guys. Sobrang dami talaga. Hindi talaga maano talaga yung blessings, guys. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lifestyles. Kaya sa mga guests natin all over the world, no? Yung mga guests natin, please, try this opportunity. This is the best business in the world. This opportunity will make you retire early, healthy, young, and rich. No, yes or yes? Excited kayo? Yes. Life, guys, alam nyo guys, hindi yan totoo na ano talaga guys, sorte-sorte yung buhay. No? Swerte pag magtrabaho, swerte ka pag tinatrabaho mo na sa right opportunity. Swerte ka kapag nakapag-enroll ka na dito sa asset building program sa Lifestyles University, the School of Millionaires. Kasi hindi masasayang yung effort mo. Kahit sobrang mong talino, sobrang mong sipag, sobrang mong ganda, sobrang mong talented, kapag wala ka sa right opportunity, talaga mahirapan ka talaga at you will really retire at the age of 60 and 65 years old. You will really retire broke. Sobrang dami kong kilala guys. Buti na lang nakilala ko sa Lifestyles. Thank you Lifestyles. This is the best business in the world. Okay, yes or yes? Yes, thank you for joining us. Get back to the persons who invited you here today. And together, let's build our assets and be free. Thank you so much. God bless and good morning everyone. Bye-bye.